What's going on, people? Look, welcome to another video of Gwayne-Fishing. I'm your boy Gwayne. I'm doing a little bit of a different intro than where I would normally be at, because I usually shoot them right there before I'm hitting a lake or a pond, and then afterwards. But if I got my GoPro waterproof case that day, and I thought it wasn't supposed to rain. And anyway, I got there 15 minutes after I got out of the truck. It just downpoured, and it rained for 30 minutes. So I just sat in the truck. So anyway, I'm gonna get straight to the video, and I hope you like the clips. Fish started biting right after it stopped raining. Then the humidity went up, and when the humidity went up, fish stopped. So it's not that long of a video, but I hope you enjoy the content. If you do, give me the subscribe button, give me the thumbs up, hit the notification bell, so anytime some new stuff comes out, hey, you'll be the first to know about it. I'm always trying to post some new content, fresh content. Put a comment in below if you like the video. Hey, I live in Northeast Alabama. If you wanna, you got a pond or a lake, you want me to fish with you, hit me up on the comment below, or you can email me at gwayne-fishing@gmail.com. Anyway, let's get to the video. Thank you for watching, guys. Y'all look at there. My line snagged this line. Look what was on. Look what was on into there. Look at there. Might have been in there a while too. Well, I always use that. Yes, sir. Little shiny copper one too. Here, get this over here in the woods. Look at there. Little rattle tune. Well. Alright, we retied back on. I got me a little blue and black flake little rage crawl on here. People call it rage crawl, crawl bug. I'll throw with it a little bit, and I'm gonna switch it out to a pumpkin one. I can see that right there. Alright, I like that. Boys, I ain't lying, I ain't got a bite in a while. After I caught that little Twinkie fish a while ago, threw him up in the grass, I ain't got a hit or nothing. Something gonna have to give here in a minute. Geez, out here sweating. That's hot. Overcast. It's probably 80 degrees out here, overcast. Perfect. Well, I know it's supposed to start storming here in the next few hours. It's perfect time to catch some fish. To get on some hogs, man. I need to get on a hog. I need to find me a hog in here. Cast out, get me one of them big ones. Let's throw out here in the middle. See what we get out here. I want out here somewhere. It's crazy, guys. Sometimes it's just whatever you're using, the color of the bait, sometimes it just don't appeal. I'm going to switch over to that this other raised craft. I'm going to show it to you. I keep this little box. You can see that little box right there? I keep that little box with me in that little bag. I got my big bag over there, but I keep this little one with me here. Let me see. Oh yeah, let's try this one right here. This little sweet mama right here. I've had some good luck with this one. Good luck. Alright. Let me move over here a little bit. I can cast a little bit further over toward this bank over here. Go watch it where I'm walking. There's something over here boiling up. I don't know what it is. We're fixing to find out though. Oh Lord, what's wrong with my line? Seriously. Alright, we're good. We're in business. That's where I wanted, right there by that stump. Oh boy, I got something. I got something, boys. Here he comes. Oh yeah, I knew he was up against that bank. I thought I seen it boiling up. Oh yeah, that nice one right there. Ain't that pretty baby? That pretty bass. Yeah, about a pound. Not much more than that, but a pound though. Yeah. I wonder why I got this glove on. For some reason, these fish are really, really slimy. And oh, hooked him in the mouth like twice. He's bleeding in two different places. There we go. Oh yeah. He's pretty. He's a pretty little bass. A little aggressive bass too. Yes, sir. Thank you, little fella. Thank you. Let you go. Go on off in there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Just what I was saying. Changing that bait can make a difference. First cast, this green pumpkin raised craw. I like this little. I have tried a different one. This one right here, little raised craw by Strike King. It's just, man, it's unreal. Well, that's not good if I can't cast it out there. Oh, right against there again, boys. We might be catching another one here in a second. I mean, this is all the way up against that tree, that stump down there I'm aiming at. Oh, I think I have one already. Maybe I got into some grass a little bit. I can't see over these bushes and it's thick. I'm not walking down there. Yeah. Hook's showing a little bit. I better fix that. I need that hook sticking out. Snag on something. There we go. Well, I'm just saying we didn't catch nothing in a while. We finally got something. Thank you, Lord. Ah. I caught that other one out right there. Alright guys, y'all see that little fella, fine fella right there? 1 pound, 10 ounces, got to wait on him. Cutting the camera back on, he hit it from the bank. I threw it back out there, he come right back after it again. We're gonna let him go. Good fish, good little fish, almost a 2-pounder. Not much. Look at him, on out there, boy. Oh yeah, I keep my scale in my pocket, keep my pliers on me. Hey, I've been casting all around here, and right here, 15 feet off the bank, he hits it. I'm figuring he followed it in. I threw out there around these little stumps and stuff. That's what I'm figuring. He followed that little joker in there, or he was just sitting in that shallow part, waiting on some bait fish or something. And my bait come along at the right time. I'm gonna throw back out there. Yeah, I caught him the first time, but I didn't have him hooked. He got loose. I just pitched it right back out there and he hit it right again. He was in the same spot. Don't see, I'm trying to cast it around in between all these little sticks and stuff. Bass love to get up against these things. Bass love cover. But it's overcast day, so they're gonna be roaming around. I'll throw out and then I'll throw back against the bank here in a little bit.